Hello, this is Luke, and welcome to Be Successful, your favorite development channel, the place where you always leave smarter than you came. If you like this content, don't forget to click like and subscribe. And please share with others, your friends, your family, anyone else who might be interested in this information. We all want the crypto market to advance. For that, we have to include it more and more in the real world to solve problems in our world. And for that, the Fixxfi project came up with a great idea. Fixxfi provides a payment system that offers the ability to pay with cryptocurrencies in the mobile app, thus allowing customers to pay with Fixxfi's native tokens and receive a discount on their repair bill. Or they can pay with other popular cryptocurrencies, such as eGold or Bitcoin. To better understand the project and concept, let's establish the following. The most common question is, but you can just use your credit card. This tends to come from older, middle-income people who generally have a good credit limit and income to match. Repair bills are generally big-ticket items, and using a credit card only kicks the can down the road or delays making the payment until the following month. If the total outstanding amount isn't paid off in full, it becomes credit card debt, the most expensive form of borrowing. Even if a credit card provider offers a payment plan, they are often short-term, still making the installments unmanageable to some households. That, coupled with the fact that credit card uptake is decreasing amongst the younger generation. In the following days, the project will also bring the farming section to the website. Want to know how farming works? Stay with us and you will find out. Yield farming lets users that are providing liquidity earn fixed rewards by depositing their LP tokens into a smart contract with the possibility to withdraw anytime. The incentive is to balance out the risk of impermanent loss that comes along with locking in your liquidity on MyRDEX. So how can they offer such high returns? Realistically, it is not forever. Rewards will always be attractive, but early supporters and believers will be rewarded the most. Early phase. During the early stage, an initially low total value locked will offer the early liquidity providers a very high APR. Ecosystem maturity. As more and more people join the farm pools, while the rewards will decrease and be distributed amongst more liquidity providers, a large liquidity pool size will facilitate swaps, reduce slippage, and turn Fixxfi into a balanced, self-sustaining finance ecosystem. Each farm pool has its own APR, depending on the amount of LP tokens, reward multiplier, and the present market price of Fix. APRs can also be maximized by compounding earnings. Besides the farming section, you can also earn money through staking. You can also find this section on their website. Staking tokens to earn rewards is one of the many ways DeFi offers users the ability to create passive income. Single stake pools are where there are only one type of token needed to stake. The Fix Staking D-app offers a variety of staking pools to its users. Staking pools allow users to either stake Fix or external tokens they purchased, converted, earned through farming or lending. And in return for this temporary commitment of capital, the protocol provides rewards in the form of Fix tokens. So they have native lock staking and native flexible staking, with token Fix and non-native flexible staking with supported tokens, eGold, USDC. Of course, the high APR is a locked one, but more details about staking on their website. And also they show APR simulations based on the 2-year linear emission to understand better. The staking function is already active for native lock staking. The other two will follow. The farming function will be put into use. From the past successes of the team, we realize that they will keep their word on what they promised. After all the positive aspects of the project, you were wondering how to buy their coin, right? You just have to go to the project website and press the Buy Fix button, then connect with your wallet and buy. It really is that simple. From the Be Successful team, this project really sparked our interest. It is a future project with a team that is fully dedicated to achieving the proposed goals. Thank you for listening. Please tell us what you think about the Fixxfi project. and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care of your money.